guys, and welcome back to What is Your Hobby channel. In today's session, let's make paper tags. I'll be using plain paper, but I'll be painting them over with acrylic color. If you have color paper, you can go ahead and use them, and if you don't, you can also paint with color like me. And now, without wasting our time, let's dive right in. So guys, here I have my plain chart paper, and as mentioned earlier, I'm painting these with acrylic paints mixed with little water. Let it dry itself or blow dry with hair dryer. Here the width of the paper is 6 cm and length is 14 cm, but I'll be cutting this in half, so making it as 7 cm. And if you wish, you can directly cut out 6 into 7 cm as well. Now let's punch some paper using paper puncher. Here I have fancy punchers. You can use regular circle punchers too. Locate the middle. You can use your scale. Here I have taken 6 cm. So let's count 3 cm from both sides and mark the middle with small dot, and then punch the paper with a puncher. For the first tag, I'll be making Flamenco Design. For that, take 5 mm red quilling strips. You can use pink if you have. Start rolling a tight coil. Hold the side of the coil and slowly let it unroll from the center, leaving a little hole in the middle, and secure it with glue. Now make a teardrop shape this way. Similarly, take another 5 mm and make a coil. This time, instead of letting the coil spread from the middle, hold the base of the coil with your finger and spread out, slightly bigger than the first one. Gently bring the center of the coil on the left and pinch from the right, and bend the tip to make a banded teardrop shape this way. Make a small tight coil for eyes. Here I'm using dark green 5 mm coil. I have marked 7 cm beforehand. Let the coil spread out a little bit, making a tiny hole in the middle this way. Take white 5 mm quilling strips of 5 cm and make a tight coil. Now, use the white tight coil and insert it in a dark green coil. In place of dark green, you can use black quilling strips as well. It should look like this. Now, let's paste the coil. Take the cutout cards and start applying glue on the coil. Place the first coil just below the punch hole. Add the second coil 3 cm away from the first coil this way. Take 5 mm strips and cut 7 cm. Apply glue on it sideways like this and carefully paste it this way. While pasting, leave a little paper on the top, approx 1 cm or less than 1 cm. Apply glue on the side to stick it. Scrap out the extra glue on the side. Now apply glue on double tight coil and insert it in the middle of the first coil, while gently pushing it down. Again, take 5 mm dark green strips and make a tight coil. Loosen a little bit and secure it with glue. Make a D-shaped coil and press down to make an obtuse triangle this way. Now apply glue and paste next to the first coil. See the extra loose paper strips here? Let's paste that on the side of second coil and cut away the extra. For adding the feet, you can add paper strips the same way we added for the neck, or draw on it. Draw a straight line, add some tiny toes, and again from the top bring down another line. Stop when you reach half of the first line and strike over straight. Just imagine the shape of number 4. You can also write any personal note on the tag as well. Finally, insert some ribbons on the tag, or to make it fun, use corrugated crimper to crimp the strips. Here the tag is ready. Add double strips or use satin ribbons or even jute strings for more durability. Also, paper strings tend to break easy, so it's only recommended if you're putting them in paper tag holder. Up next, let's make flower tag. Use 5mm quilling strips of any color and make a coil. Use a quilling board to determine the size of the coil. Here I'm selecting size 4 on the board. Just add the coil on the slot and let it spread. Take it out and secure the end. Make a teardrop coil this way. In the same manner, use the board and quill 7 equal teardrops coil. Now apply glue and paste just below the hole this way. Line the coil in this manner close to each other. After pasting 3 or 4 petals, make a tight coil with 5mm strips of 6 cm and paste it, making the center of the flower. Continue the process. For adding the leaves, take some green 5mm strips and make a coil. Again, use the board. This time select the one size bigger than the last petal. Bring the center of the coil on the side and make a bent teardrop. Similarly, make another bent teardrop. Paste both the leaves below the flower in this manner. For the stem, use 5mm green strips. Here, I'm cutting 5 cm strips, which is long compared to the flower I have created. But a little extra won't hurt. Moreover, I want the stem to be a little curvy. Apply glue on side like how we did for the flamingo bird and paste this way. After pasting, cut away the extra. Our second tag is ready as well. Now let's make butterfly tag. Use 3mm quilling strips of any color and use board for measurement. Make a teardrop shape. Similarly, with the same size, make another one. Again, use 3mm quilling strips and use quilling board one size bigger than the last 2 coil to make bigger teardrop shape. And repeat the same process and make another one again. It's ready here. Take any dark 5mm color coil for the next step. Before securing the coil, let it spread out about a diameter of 2 to 3 cm. The next coil I'm going to make is called long tip arrow. The first step is to make a long teardrop shape first. And start making the curve of the teardrop flat. Pinch it from both corners this way. Here we have a long tip arrow shape. Next, let's make a V scroll. Take 8 cm 3mm strips and fold it into half. Start rolling the strips this way. Stop it when you reach in the middle. Take out the quilling needle and roll the same on the other side. And here this will be antenna for butterfly. Apply a little glue in the middle to stick it. And now guys, it's time to assemble the parts. First, paste the body slightly slanting. Add the 2 big teardrops followed by 2 small teardrops. Lastly, add the antenna or V-scroll. So this is my butterfly tag. Try out different colors as well, and also adding small size of varieties of colors looks great. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe and turn your notification bell on because more exciting contents are on the way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!